Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your desktop icons if they're gone somehow. Let's go. First, right-click on your desktop and click on the Personalize option from the drop-down menu. Then, you need to go to the Themes section. There, click on the Desktop Icon Settings from the upper right corner. Now, a dialog box should appear. Tick all the icon checkboxes that you want to keep on your desktop screen. Then just click on Apply and OK, and it is done. See, now you have all your icons back on your desktop screen. You may right-click, go to Sort by option, and select Sort by type option just for the aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and if you find this tutorial useful, do not forget to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button.